this Wednesday of February also happens to be what you were waiting for, and that explains a lot too. National Kahlua Day. Kahlua is a delicious
I could have sworn Puerto Rico was in 51.
And then DC too?
And DC is right behind them. Our friend bartender Demetrius Zaharitis is joining us with some of his favorite recipes for Kahlua. Kahlua-based drinks. I love Kahlua.
States, properties, whatever. They all love Kahlua.
Everybody loves Kahlua.
I'm crying.
All right, this is ridiculous. Stop it. Move on.
Okay.
So we're doing, to help celebrate National Kahlua Day, we're going to make 3 cocktails.
Okay.
One very recognizable. We're going to do an Espresso Martini.
Oh.
So we're going to shake one, we're going to stir one, then we're going to build one.
We're going to do an Espresso Martini.
I'm going today. Okay. So we're using some Litchfield Distillery vodka, made here in Connecticut. We're doing about 1.5 ounces of the vodka.
Okay.
Okay. Then we're going to do about a full ounce of Kahlua.
What exactly is Kahlua?
Kahlua is a coffee liqueur from Mexico. It's made with a rum base, basically. So rum and coffee.
It's a rum base, and then they just add coffee flavoring, and that's what makes it, okay.
Yeah. For some reason, I thought Kahlua was lighter in color, but
it's very dark.
Very dark.
And then we're doing about 1 ounce of
Does Kahlua by itself have much alcohol, or not really?
No, it's a lower alcohol. It's a liqueur, so it's got some sweetness to it. Excuse me, and less alcohol.
Shake it up, baby.
And you always want to shake your espresso martinis real good because you want that nice crema, that foam on top. Look. And we did it, so that's good.
They even put the directions right on the back of the bottle for 1 part Kahlua, 1 part vodka, 1 part espresso, and shake. Oh, so easy.
Yeah.
Who needs the directions when you've got Demetrius?
Yeah, well, his are a little fancier, but I was thinking for you.
Okay.
There you go. Try that.
Yeah, I could never probably attempt this at home, even though he just showed us, and it looks really easy.
So yeah, I mean, there's a lot of family. You got the White Russian and stuff like that, but those are super simple.
Oh, God.
I have to keep us on track.
Yes. Good luck.
So now we're going to make a little riff on an old-fashioned. We're going to use some Litchfield Distillery coffee bourbon. So we're doing coffee on top of coffee with this one.
That tastes like, just like, I don't know, hot chocolate and coffee or something. It's delicious.
It's just delicious.
I like that it's cold. I always think of Kahlua as more of a coffee drink, but the way you make that frothy and cold, it tasted almost like a frappuccino.
Sure.
What was that alcohol you just said?
We did a Litchfield Distillery coffee bourbon.
So
we're doing coffee on top of coffee on top of coffee in this one.
Okay.
Is there actually any caffeine in any coffee liqueurs?
There is, yes.
Yeah? Oh, okay.
And what is that?
And this is some orange bitters. We're doing orange bitters and black walnut bitters.
Black walnut.
Yeah. And then we're doing just a touch of honey. Not that it's sweet enough, but we give it a little more sweetness.
Honey, like, dissolved in water or something?
It is. It's 2 to 1. So it's basically when you're using honey in cocktails, when you put honey that's real thick and viscous into cold, it's not going to break down. This is an old-fashioned.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the classic way of making it.
That's
like I said,
a
it's a
true
riff.
old-fashioned?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
So old-fashioned is sugar, water, spirit, bitters. And then you could just take, just plug and play kind of thing. So we're doing this is our spirit. Our sugar water, we're using honey instead, and then our bitters. We could just play with different kinds of bitters.
This is what they drank on Mad Men. Yeah.
Correct.
Don Draper every day at his Mad Men.
I like my martinis stirred, not shaken.
And then we're doing just over a nice big cube. You could buy these molds online. So if you're ever hosting a little party, you got some fancy cubes around. Exactly.
And some orange zest.
And just a little bit of orange zest, which makes all the difference, in my opinion.
Yeah, I feel like if there's one thing I've learned from you, Demetrius, she just puts like something fresh on top and it makes it better.
Just those oils.
Right?
So this is going to be a little bit boozier, a little bit more in your face kind of thing.
That's good for you. In your face is good for you.
Oh, that's boozy.
See?
You ain't trying this one.
Okay.
You stick to the espresso martini.
I'm going to stick to the wimpy
And now we're going to
drinks.
make something a little bit lighter.
Okay.
This will be more up your alley. So we're using some monkey rum. It's a toasted coconut rum. So we're doing coconut rum. And this is a highball, so we're just building right in a glass. So about 1.5 ounces for that.
Okay.
About 3/4 of an ounce of Kahlua.
Isn't that
right in there?
So beautiful, Kahlua. I just love it.
And then we're going to just put some tonic water on top.
Tonic, interesting.
Tonic water.
Yeah, and then we're going to give it a little stir just to incorporate those flavors. And then, just to bring it all together,
something
we're
fresh
going
on
to
top.
exactly. See a little bit. I'm all about the oils. So we're going to do a little.
You rub the glass too.
Yeah, we just go right around.
Is that because when we are smelling it, it changes the flavor?
Exactly. So you're drinking with all your senses basically, and I mean if you can't smell anything, you're not going to taste it. So that one's going to be a little bit lighter, more effervescent, little coffee, coconutty.
That's really good. I wouldn't associate that as
lighter.
a Kahlua drink at all. That's very refreshing.
Yes.
Try this one. Let's see how this one is.
It's citrusy.
Wow, that's really delicious.
Surprisingly, right?
I love that, and I
Yeah.
didn't think I was going to like it.
Me
Oh,
neither.
it's got a coconutty and citrusy and lovely and beautifully and wonderfully.
And this one we just whipped up. I actually whipped it up last night, kind of thing. Just put some flavors together. It came out well.
Well, thank you, Demetrius.
Thank you.
We're so appreciated. Tara, you read and I'll drink.
Okay, to get in touch with Demetrius and to see the fun drinks that he creates, you can check out his Facebook page. You post some of the recipes there
I
too,
do,
right?
yes, they're
So if
there.
you want to try this at home, just search up the Cocktail Chemist.